Dear students, today we are going to discuss the homogeneous differential equation and how to find out the solution of homogeneous differential equation. So before that, just you see here, what do you mean by homogeneous differential equation? So let us see. A differential equation f of x comma y dx plus g of x comma y dy is equal to 0 is said to be homogeneous differential equation if f of xy and g of xy are homogeneous functions of the same degree. Means here f of x comma y means the term of that differential equation which is in terms of x and y. Similarly here also the term which is given to you, it is also in terms of xy, means g of xy. So f of xy and g of xy denotes the terms in terms of x and y. Okay, and are called as homogeneous functions if they have same degree. Same degree means, for example, see here, if the function is given, means equation is given x cube dx plus y cube dy is equal to 0 is homogeneous differential equation because x cube and y cube are homogeneous functions of the same degree. Same degree means having index, see here, x cube, index of x cube is 3, index of y cube is also 3, so that is called as the degree of that particular term. Okay, so and if both the degrees are same, or you can say both degree of the terms are same, then the equations are called as homogeneous equation, or here it is called as homogeneous differential equation. Next one is, suppose x square y dx plus 8 into y cube. Now if you observe the terms, then there is a term x square y. The degree of x is 2, degree of y is 1. So degree of total term x square into y is 3. Similarly here the term is 8y cube. So degree of y is 3. See the index, that means the degree. Here it is x square y, degree of x is 2, degree of y is 1. So together x square y has the degree 3. So here it is given that is homogeneous differential equation because x square y and y cube are homogeneous functions of the same degree. So if you have the function differential equation like this, then are called as homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so see this by example. Now how will you solve this homogeneous differential equation? So here there is a method given to you. So method to solve the homogeneous differential equation. So let us see. Now to solve the homogeneous differential equation, that is f of x comma y dx plus g of x comma y dy is equal to 0. Consider it as equation number 1. Suppose this is equation number 1. Okay, and if we write it as, first of all what to do here, we have to write it as in the form of dy by dx. Now if you observe here, then dy by dx will be f of x comma y upon g of x comma y. Let us consider it as a equation number 2. So first of all, the given homogeneous differential equation, if you identify that and then you convert it into dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y upon g of x comma y, and consider it as equation number 2. And now to solve this differential equation, what we have to do here, we have to substitute the term that is y is equal to tx. So see here, so this is very important that we have to put y is equal to tx, or you can put y is equal to v into x also. Remember here it is in your textbook, it is given that you have to put y is equal to tx, but sometimes we will put y is equal to vx also. And then if you take the derivative on both sides with respect to x, then what will you get? You will get dy by dx is equal to t plus x into dt by dx. Okay, so here this is the important point, that we have to substitute y is equal to tx, or here you can put y is equal to vx also. Then you differentiate this with respect to x, then you will get dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. How will you get this derivative? By u into v rule. So v keep as it is, into derivative of x is 1, plus keep x as it is, into derivative of v is dv by dx, and then you change the equation number 2. So the equation number 2 is converted into the variable separable form, and hence it can be solved. Okay, so after this substitution, this is the particular substitution that we require to find out the solution of homogeneous differential equation. Remember, this is a special method to get the solution of the homogeneous differential equation. You always remember that you have to put y is equal to tx or y is equal to vx, and then change the equation number 2, and it will be converted into variable separable form, and then by regular way you can solve the example. And then let us note that after solving equation 2 by that variable separable method, you have to resubstitute the value of t is equal to y upon x, or here in this case you have to put the value of v is equal to y upon x. Okay, so then you will get the general solution of the homogeneous differential equation. Now in detail we will solve one example so that you will get the total idea about the homogeneous differential equation, and then procedure to solve the homogeneous differential equation. So let us take some examples that we will solve today. Now see the question, solve the differential equation, and it is given that x square minus y square dx plus 2xy dy is equal to 0. So first of all I will write the given differential equation. Now first of all we have to check that whether this is homogeneous or non-homogeneous differential equation. So just you observe the terms here. What we have to observe here, see the term that is x square, then y square, and 2xy, or you can say xy only. Now the degree of x is 2 because the index is 2. Degree of y is also 2 because the index is 2. Similarly here there is a term 2xy. The degree of x is 1 and degree of y is 1. So together the term xy, degree of the term xy is also 2. So to understand I will write here that I will write the note to understand here the degree of x square, then y square, and 2xy is 2, and that's why the given differential equation is homogeneous differential equation. Hence it is homogeneous differential equation. Okay, so first of all you have to observe like this. And now what is the next step? Now we will solve the differential equation to get the solution. Now to get that we will adjust this because we required this differential equation in the form of dy by dx. So what will you get here? See mathematically, so x square minus y square dx is equal to, I will write minus 2xy dy. Then what will you get? Dy by dx here after this. So dy by dx will be, dy by dx is equal to, see transfer this dx to the right hand side, and hence it is x square minus y square upon minus 2xy. So this is very important step, remember. Or you can rewrite this as, because of this minus sign I will write the numerator as y square minus x square upon 2xy, so that the minus sign will get cancelled, and hence we get dy by dx is equal to. So this is first important step, that if you identify the given differential equation as a homogeneous differential equation, and then you have to convert it into in the form of dy by dx is equal to. So we get this first step. Now after getting this first step, now we will follow the procedure to solve this differential equation. So for that, here I will put y is equal to, I will put vx more conveniently. You can take y is equal to t into x also, no problem. but here I will prefer v. So y is equal to v into x. So this is the special step that we have to follow. So what will be the value of dy by dx? So after taking the derivative on both sides, we have to change as dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. This is by u into v rule on the right hand side of this substitution. Remember, v as it is into derivative of x is 1 plus x as it is into derivative of v is dv by dx. So this is the special substitution, remember, that you have to do here. This is a special substitution, remember, special substitution to get the solution of the homogeneous differential equation. You have to always follow this, that put y is equal to vx and then dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Now after getting this, you put the value in the equation number 1. So equation number 1 becomes, what will you get? In place of dy by dx, I have to write v plus x into dv by dx is equal to, now on the right hand side I will put y is equal to vx. So here we will get v into x square minus x square upon 2x into vx. So see here carefully, in place of y we have to put vx, remember. Now what will you get after this next step? Just to simplify this, so v plus x into dv by dx is equal to, now here it is v square x square minus this is x square upon, to the denominator it will be 2x square into v. Now if you observe the right hand side again, then you will get the simplification here. After taking x square common from both numerator and denominator, x square will get cancelled and hence you will get v square minus 1 upon 2v. Okay, so now we have to use the variable separable method. Okay, so hence what will you get? You shift this v to the right hand side, so we get x into dv by dx is equal to v square minus 1 upon 2v minus v. Now cross multiply the RHS. By cross multiplying we will get v square minus 1 minus 2v square upon 2v. So this is just a mathematical steps that we have to follow for the simplification. Now what will you get? Here you will get v square minus 1 minus 2v square. So that's why you will get minus 1 minus v square upon 2v, and to the left hand side it is x into dv by dx. So see this step carefully. Okay, and then we have to use the variable separable method here. So I will transfer this dx to the right hand side, so it becomes x into dv is equal to, here I will take minus common and in bracket 1 plus v square upon 2v into dx. Now the position of x and position of v is fixed, so I will transfer this x to the right hand side and this one to the left hand side. So that's why what will you get here? I will get minus of 2v upon 1 plus v square dv is equal to 1 upon x into dx. So here we get the variable separation. Variables are v and x. Okay, now we have to integrate the both sides to solve the differential equation. So here main part is what? After the substitution we get the simplification and then by variable separable method we have to solve the equation. So now integrating both sides. see what will you get. So minus as it is into integration of 2v upon 1 plus v square dv is equal to integration of 1 upon x dx. Now if you observe here left hand side, to the left hand side it is the function in the form of, see here, as we know that the rule f dash x upon f of x dx is equal to log of modulus of f of x plus c. Here if you observe here, the denominator is 1 plus v square and the derivative of this denominator is 2v, because the derivative of 1 is 0 plus derivative of v square is 2v. So hence we get f dash x upon f of x form, and hence you can write the integration as minus of log of modulus of 1 plus v square is equal to, now to the right hand side it is 1 upon x, and you know that integration of 1 upon x is also log of modulus of x. Now as in the both sides we get the logarithmic function, so I will take the constant as log c here. Now just adjust the term here. I will write after this, by logarithmic rule I will write minus of log of 1 plus v square is equal to, here we will use log of x plus log y is equal to log x into y, so we get log of x into c. Now comparing both sides, first of all I will write this minus sign here, then I will compare. So it will be log of 1 plus v square raised to minus 1 is equal to log of x into c. That's why what will you get here? We get 1 plus v square raised to minus 1 is equal to x into c. And now here I will resubstitute the value of v as y upon x. So hence what will you get here? 1 plus y square upon x square raised to minus 1 is equal to x into c. Now this is the raised to minus 1 term is there. So after cross multiplication I will take the reciprocal of it. So x square plus y square upon x square raised to minus 1 is equal to x into c. And hence finally I will write, as this is the reciprocal, so I can write x square upon x square plus y square is equal to x into c. So you can say that this is the general solution of the given homogeneous differential equation. So this is the general solution of the given differential equation after this. So just you adjust the terms after substitution and then get the answer, and if it is in the form of log on the both sides, then you have to choose the constant as log c and then you solve like this. Okay, so see, this is the method to find out the solution of the homogeneous differential equation. Okay, thank you.